Video review of the Levi jeans wallet. So pretty much it's time to go back to the basics. Time to retire my old wallet. There's nothing really wrong with this wallet, except it's time to change the style. After a while you get enough of the same thing all the time. Now this is not the first wallet I had. I had quite a few wallets over the time, and it's time to go back to the basics. Levi jeans. Levi's, same thing. I was pretty impressed with the old Levi wallet. This was not the same thing. You see, this is not a leather wallet, but it held up pretty good, and I still kept this wallet because it was one of the best wallets I ever had, up to the point where I got this one. I like the leather. It was much more fashionable at this time, and I really liked it. It was cool. Until I decided, I went for a bunch of those, by the way, and it looks like this is the winner. Why is that? The presentation. This box is cool, but that has to do much with the presentation. So it's just what is inside that makes it much cooler. It just is impressive. I'm impressed. Not because of the box. Box is good, but this is what I'm looking for. Exactly what I'm looking for. And here is why. This is a little bit bigger. It's about the same size, and yet it gives me the look I wanted. This leather, it's like black. All the white stuff is showing on this all the time, and I didn't like it about that this much. The quality of the leather was not the greatest, but one thing about the Calvin Klein thing, this held up a good test of time for a very long time. I'm very impressed. I don't know how good the Levi jeans is going to be doing, but this one is very impressive indeed. One, easily to remove different compartments here. You can easily put them in, which is something I have seen a lot of wallets. You can't actually put something in, get it out, and stuff like that. Well, this one does everything for you. And the best thing about this is that nobody is going to steal your digital information, because it has this thing here that gives the protection in the lining from any card skimmers to come over and steal your information. So that's not going to happen with this wallet. The quality of the leather is very nice. It has very good scent to this. And the material, I love the feeling. It's like really soft touch, really nice material. This is going to be a little bit hard gained here, but this is like really nice material. And I love the stitching. What says Levi's, California, the small bell over here, the stitching all around. The looks of this is just impressive. You look at this, you're like, this looks like an expensive wallet, but it's not. It's only about 20 bucks, but we are getting quality for 20 bucks spent. And I have seen wallets that go much more higher in price and yet not doing as good job as this one here. Now, of course, for the cons, you see this? It closes pretty good. This one slightly opens up. You put this over here, it seems like it kind of closes. I think over time, if you put this inside of you, if you put it inside your pocket, probably will close. I don't like this part this much, but it seems like all the wallets that have this protection built in here for the credit card skimmers have the same exact issue happen with them as well. The material feels a little bit, I would say, on the soft side, which makes me think this might not hold up for as good and for as long as I expected to hold up. But time will tell, and this is a solid company, Levi jeans. I really think this will last. The reviews were pretty good. The material seems pretty fine. It's not going to get any heavy duty work. It just goes in your pocket and out. I just really think that there's not much I can go long here. Just doesn't seem like I'm getting a bad kind of... It just doesn't look bad. It doesn't. There's a Levi stitch right here too. Pretty much, it's cool. You can put a lot of different credit cards all over the place. It comes in and out pretty easy. This is something you want. I've been having a lot of hard time finding things that slid in, slid out so easily out of here. A lot of them are super tight, and I hate the ones that are super tight, and this is good. You can see every single one of those. It comes in and out pretty easy. It doesn't get stuck. And even if everything almost out of here, it's a pretty slim wallet. It's about almost the same size as my previous one, and it is very expandable as well. So I really like this so much that I decided to get 2 of those. But it was a hard decision to figure out which one is much better. So the brown one, what I like about this, it's totally brown, really nice leather, the stitching, I really like it. Specifically right here you can see the logo as well, and it's actually metallic. Now when we have this one is also good. It has some perks for this one. It's all black, it's nice, and I like all black version. It looks more sophisticated as well, but there is one issue with this. So I thought this is very nice. It's quite different. One thing I dislike about this is this. For some people this actually might be a good thing. Now specifically this version has, it's not regular version of it. So if you put something in here, there's going to be different dots here, and it makes it so hard to see what's in here, specifically your driver license if you put it in. And because of that you have to remove it every single time, which makes it something I don't like to actually do. Apart from that, the styling is pretty slick, and this right here, I'm not sure I like it as much as if it was straight on. Overall, it's about the same exact as this wallet, just different colors, and this over here, which could be the deal breaker for some people. So completely recommended for you. I think this is something you should consider getting for yourself. If you do like this kind of style, there's different kind of designs over there for you, and you can just pick the one you like. And hopefully you did enjoy this video, and if you did, smash the thumbs up button, leave a comment down below, and see you in the next episode of the Geek Tech Show. You never know what is the next thing we're going to be reviewing on this channel.